Hi guys, so we have
new
Miss
dumpling,
Lee.
guys.
So
So
this is
my my ate bought me this in my
Yes.
school. So we're gonna unbox it. Wait, I'm gonna okay that one. So
my sister has one.
because she unboxed it and she got the rare one.
Yeah.
So we have two here. The other one is over there. So we're gonna open it. Go. ASMR.
Show it
They're
to
gonna
the
show it.
camera.
Wait. ASMR. So we're gonna okay. Go. Open it. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, not yet. We're gonna close our eyes. Open it.
3,
So
2,
we're not able to get make noise because Kuya Epon will get mad. 3, 2, 1.
It closing the door. Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys.
No, not one, not yet. Because we have another one. So we're gonna cut it. So we're gonna be back. Go. So, guys, this is the other version of the dumpling. So we're gonna unbox it. So ASMR.
Oh, my turn, my
Okay,
turn.
we're
I will
gonna-
open this
Don't
one.
make some
My
noise. Okay, go
3.
Show it on the camera. No, not yet. Oh.
Ay.
Crack 3, 2. Okay.
Okay.
3.
The lid is open, a little bit open. 3, 2, 1. Hey! That's mine!
We got 2. Where? Chris, ay, Chaba, can I borrow? Because we got open it na lang. Guys, we got the green one, but my
sister get it.
okay. Bye-bye.
See you next for part 2.
Oh, by the way, guys, that other dumpling is binili ng brother niya. So that's ano.